So, hi guys! Today we are done in urban planting. So, we are now moving forward in the harvesting of our plants, and after that we are going to eat them or cook them and sell them. But unfortunately, wala tayong harvesting. So, ang gagawin natin is bibili tayo ng mga ingredients para makapagluto and kakainin natin yan. But before anything else, I am going to show to you a quick update kung ano na yung status ng plants ko ngayon. And because sabi ni sir is we are going to continue planting and planting. So, hi guys, this is the latest update of my plants. This is my garlic. Look at them. Since hindi natin siya pwedeng harvestin, ang gagawin ko sa kanya is ilipat ko siya sa mas bigger na lot. Bigger na lupa, and sana tumubo siya. And alam niyo naman, nagmamahal ng mga gulay ngayon. And here is my sibuyas. Look at them, so pretty. Diba ang sabi ko namatay siya, pero hindi, she's alive, she's laying, she's kicking. Look at the onion rings. And feeling ko lalaki pa to pag dilipat ko. Pero hindi ko na mapapakita kasi we are now in the harvesting. And ito na yung mung beans ko na ano na siya, brown na siya. Wala na siyang ganap. And here is my ito naman, yung kamatis ko na ang dami niyang tumubo. Pero ilan na lang nakasurvive. And feeling ko rin lalawak, dadami pa siya pag nilipat ko. So, yun lang guys. Bye!